Sugati Patali gur, a natural winter delicacy, is a holistic representation of purity, authenticity, tradition, and unforgettable taste. From inception to consumption, though the process is labor-intensive, yet truly gratifying. Let's trace the journey of this gur all the way from Murshidabad, West Bengal to your homes. This arduous process begins when the farmers wake up early in winter mornings, way before sunrise, to collect the sap from the date palm or locally called khejur trees. Post-collection, the farmers boil the sap in earthen pots, solidify the semi-liquid gur into small round slabbed patali gur, which we then pack with utmost hygiene and care and deliver to you. We are extremely proud to bring to you certified purest Sugati Patali gur with a gur content of 85%, which is a far cry from the locally available gur thronging the markets. Not only our gur, you can now enjoy delectable sweets made from Nolen gur.